What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best heavy-duty jumper cables available on the market. Through extensive research and testing I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Energizer jumper cables. While Energizer's jumper cables may rank as our runner-up heavy-duty jumper cable set, they're really just as good as the Cartman models. Like Cartman, they have 4.8 stars out of 5 on Amazon, based on more than 13,000 customer ratings. They also edge out Cartman booster cables in the sales category, ranking as the most popular jumper cables on the site. The Energizer jumper cable set is highly ranked for their capabilities, and they come at a reasonable price, as well. The 16-foot cable length / 2-gauge cables are only $30, while the most deluxe, heavy-duty cable model to move more serious amperage, 25 feet / 1 gauge, comes in at just $52. Combined with a 2-year warranty, that means that Energizer's cables are a smart investment. These cables come in lengths of 16, 20, and 25 feet, but all of them except the longest are 4 gauge. The longest set is 1 gauge, so it can be used on cars, trucks, and SUVs. Although the clamps have a vinyl coating on all parts your hands should touch, there is the possibility that the coating could wear at the joints and leave bare, conductive metal right where you'd hold them. It comes with a handy storage bag as well, emblazoned with the Energizer name. Energizer's jumper cables also rank as our top pick in the heavy-duty category. While the company offers a 6-gauge model, most of the varieties range in wire gauge from 1 gauge to 4 gauge. This gauge jumper cable can handle higher amperage, greater than 400 amps, delivering a burst of power that can jumpstart trucks and SUVs in addition to cars. Number 2. Horusdy jumper battery cables. There's a specific way to use jumper cables, see below for more, and if it's not followed, the results can be harmful to your vehicle or even dangerous to your safety. After all, we're dealing with batteries that are strong enough to power vehicles, which means a good deal of electrical current is in play. These cables are made from copper-coated aluminum wire and feature thick insulation that means they'll work when the temperature dips below zero. The jagged teeth on the clamps can latch onto terminals on the top or side of a battery. They're also flexible and connected to each other, which makes them easier to pack away and more difficult to lose. These booster cables offer reverse polarity protection, which makes using them safer than it otherwise would be. This model, and models like it, incorporate fail-safes designed to protect users if the cables are improperly attached. In the case of Horusdy's model, the cables include a smart protector with a light sensor designed to tell the user if they're attached properly. Horusdy's cables with insulation come in 3 sizes: a 1-gauge, 25-foot heavy-duty jumper model, a 4-gauge, 20-foot model, and a 6-gauge, 12-foot model. Number 3. Autogen heavy-duty jumper cables. These 2-gauge, 30-foot, 900A heavy-duty booster cables with professional-grade clamps for trucks are simply built to take the stress out of a stressful situation. Designed for heavy-duty vehicles, but working with most 12-volt ones, these are, according to Autogen, the longest and most powerful jumper cables you will find. Their 30-foot length will allow you to jumpstart cars, pickups and trucks front to back. No more maneuvering vehicles to get the cables to reach. These cables are designed to operate well in all sorts of weather conditions, with copper teeth on its clamps to provide a firm grip on the battery terminals. To further take the stress out of life, the Autogen heavy-duty booster cables are made with a 100% copper, double grip jaw, with an extra thick PVC cover for both insulation and drop resistance. The cables are highly conductive copper-coated aluminum, CCA, sheathed in flexible, tangle-free PVC insulation wires which maintain their flexibility down to -40 degrees. As if all of that isn't enough, these jumper cables come with an upgraded carry bag and an LED work light, and Autogen offers a 12-month replacement warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and 24/7 tech support. Number 4. Cartman 1-gauge 25 feet jumper cables. The best jumper cables should be able to harness a hefty dose of power at a reasonable price, all while offering the protection and convenience users need. That means they should be well insulated, have nice alligator clamps or parrot clamps and be long enough to comfortably reach from one vehicle to another. Cartman's booster cable line offers all that and more, making it our top overall pick. The cables work with 12 or 24 volt batteries and range from 16 to 25 feet and 1 gauge to 6 gauge rating. All models work at low temperatures, down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit, and come with 5-year warranties. They're also built to handle side terminal and top post battery configurations. They have insulated parrot clamps and come with a convenient carry bag. These heavy-duty booster cables from Cartman are not light, weighing more than 9 pounds. But they can handle just about any vehicle on the road. If you drive a pickup to a job site in the winter, you'll be glad you have a pair of these on hand for emergencies. These cables are made from copper-coated aluminum wire and feature thick insulation that means they'll work when the temperature dips below zero. The jagged teeth on the clamps can latch onto terminals on the top or side of a battery. Number 5. Energizer 30 feet jumper cables. Energizer's jumper cables already featured prominently on this list, but in this category, we'll be focusing on a special model, Energizer's 30-foot, 1-gauge booster cables. Like all Energizer cables, these are great for safely and efficiently jump-starting your car, but they're also longer than just about any other model you can find. That makes it easier for you to charge your car, because the positioning will be less of an issue. There is a thick vinyl coating covering the cables which helps to protect the cables from rust and corrosion. The same vinyl coating also covers the handles, protecting them too. The bonus of having the coating on the handles is that they are really easy to grip. The handles are strong, rugged, and durable, with a strong spring for easy and secure positioning. The clamps fit on the top or side posts of most batteries. Energizer's 30-foot cable may be more expensive than some of the other models on this list, but that hasn't hurt its popularity. It's the no. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.